Hello, respectable audience. The answer you have drawn from this question is not correct. Are you shocked? Really? Because 6 minus 4, you got 2. Okay? 6 minus 2, your answer is 4. Now 2 times 4, you got 8. And 8 is your answer. But remember that 8 is not correct answer. That is a shocking answer. So what we have to do and which mistake we have done for this question? Actually, we have not followed the order of operation. We have subtraction, multiplication, again subtraction. So according to any order of operation, either it is PEMDAS or BODMAS or TMAS or BIDMAS, we have to handle multiplication first, then this subtraction, and finally this subtraction. Don't solve this subtraction earlier than this subtraction because we have to move from left to right. But remember that multiplication is earlier than both subtractions. So we will get 6 minus 4 times 6, we will get 24 minus 2. By moving from left to right, we have 6 minus 24, which will become minus 18 minus 2. Now it will be our final step and we will get minus 20. That will be our answer. Thank you for your response.